You guys, welcome back to another video. This is gonna be so fast. Like, you already see the timestamp. This is gonna be so fast. Like, I only need 6 rebates for $3, which is crazy, right? Because I feel like I haven't gotten a $3 bonus in forever. Like, I always get like 5. Occasionally, Ibotta will put your girl on punishment and give me $1, but for the most part, I get 5. And so this midweek, I have $3 back for 6 rebates. This should be super easy. And so I'm only going to go for the 6 that I need. Nothing more, nothing less. You are new here and it's your first time seeing this lovely face. Hey, I'm Shay. Go ahead and subscribe. Smash the like button, support your girl. And don't forget to make sure your post notifications are on so you never miss out on a video. So what did I want to say as far as today? I'm leaving late. I had like 3 offer-up customers this morning. So literally went to the gym first thing, came home, took Josiah to school, 3 customers, barely got to Walmart at almost 1 o'clock. So you already know, floors are crowded, they loud. And so I'm gonna try to make this really, well, it should be pretty quick.
What else did I want to add really quick? I hate when you park in a cut. I know I say this a lot. And that car will park right in front of you. Like, dude, I see you. You see me. I see you. You see me. And we see each other and we just looking hella awkward. Just hella awkward. That's the biggest thing that annoys me the most. It's like, my right next to you. I'm just like, dang. Are they looking at me? Because I'm looking at them.
But anyways, listen, I'm gonna try to make this quick, y'all. So we're gonna go ahead in the store. We're gonna see what kind of awesome deals that we can grab this week, you guys. Of course, I'll have a Google Doc, but I feel like I really don't even need one. I probably won't even have one, to be honest, y'all, because this is just not a lot. It's not a lot. And so, without further ado, let's head into the store and see what kind of awesome deals we can grab today at Walmart. Alright, so the first deal I was going to grab was on the Knoppers again. It's the 6 count. It's priced at $3.66. Now for this, I'll pop a picture up if you don't know what it looks like. I've done that in the last like couple weeks or so. And so they are priced at $3.66. We're going to grab 2 of them. We'll end up paying $7.32 out of pocket, but getting back $1 for each on Ibotta. There's also 430 kicks on Shopkick, which is $172, and then $3 on Swagbucks, MyPoints, and Box R to Da, bringing these down to only 30 cents each. Next I was looking for, I guess my store doesn't carry the soft scrub. I saw Miss Danielle post this over on Saving with Danielle, and I don't see it, and I was so stoked about doing this deal. I was like, I'm going to do that deal. Guess I'm not going to do that deal. Look. It's on the soft scrub. I'll pop up a picture in case you don't know what the soft scrub looks like. I was going to grab one at $3.27. And then I was going to use a $1 coupon from the Save 806. Paying $2.27, getting back $1 on Ibotta and $1 on Fetch, making that 27 cents. I was going to max this out at $3.2. But my store doesn't carry the soft soap anymore, I guess. And I know I've seen it here before because I've gotten it here before. So this next deal is on the U by Kotex, priced at $3.30. They have the 50 count as well as the 40 count over there. For this, we're grabbing 2 of them. Total is going to come to $6.60, getting back $1.50 for one of them on Ibotta. We'll also be getting back $4 on ShopMe. It's also on Alexa, as well as Tada. I'm bringing that down to only 55 cents each, which I know is not the greatest of deals, considering we always get this for free, plus moneymaker. And so yeah. Next it was on the Degree deodorant. On the men, either women, you can do both or just one or the other. They're priced at $5.78. For this, I'm going to go ahead and grab 2 of them. Total for both is $11.56. Now, we do have $1.50 coupons coming in our answers. I don't have my answers yet, but if you have that coupon, you'll end up paying $8.56. But then you're going to get back 800 kicks on Shopkick, which is $3.20 for each of them. Plus, there's $2.50 on Fetch. You're buying 2, making them a 34-cent moneymaker. Now, if you don't have a coupon, it would make them like $3.70, I want to say, for 2 of them, which is still not necessarily bad. What we're going to do is on the Axe body wash, because I think it's the cheapest item, and so they're priced at $5.22. For this, I'm just going to go ahead and just grab 1 of them. Getting back $2 on Ibotta. There's also $2 on ShopMe and Alexa, as well as Tada, making them only $1.22 each, which is not necessarily bad. Now there's also a rebate on the Axe deodorant. It has to be either the fine fragrance or the Axe extras, which are priced, it looks like, at $6.88. So getting back 3 on Ibotta and then 2 on ShopMe and Alexa or Tada would make that $1.88. The fine fragrance ones obviously would cost more. Actually, I'm trying to think if there's one. Oh, it has to be the spray. And those are $8.38. So unless it's something you use, maybe not the greatest of deals. Alright, so my next deal is on the Bic Easy Rinse. I've heard from a lot of you guys that these razors suck. I have yet to try them. I think I'm actually just using the Bic Soleil Smooth, to be honest. But it makes me want to try them. And so anyways, they're priced at $7.32 for this. We're going to go ahead and grab 2 of them. There's 2 different rebates on Ibotta. One is for the 3 count. One is for the 2 count. And so for this, we're going to grab 2 of them. We'll end up paying $14.64 out of pocket, but then getting back $6.92 on Ibotta for buying 2 of them. And there's also $4 on ShopMe, Alexa, and Tada, making this at 28 cents. Doesn't it look like COVID again? I don't think it ever looked this bad for COVID, but apparently they're remodeling this whole section, and so they're not even restocking. They're just gonna sell out, and then remodel it and then stock. So if you need this kind of stuff, don't get it here. You'll have to go somewhere else. Maybe Target has it. This is the aisle you come to if you need to record, because there's nobody here. Alright, so this deal is on the Claricel. It's on the Rapid Rescue treatment. It's priced at $5.97. Getting back 600 kicks on Shopkick, which is $2.40, and then $1.50 on ShopMe, Alexa. It's also on Tada as well, bringing this down to 57 cents. And then the Clean and Clear is priced at $5.36, and for that we're going to be getting back $1.50 on Ibotta, and then there's $2.50 on ShopMe, as well as Alexa, and I also have it on Tada as well, making that only $1.36. All right, so my next deal is on the spin brushes. I'm going to go ahead and do this deal again. They're priced a little higher at this store. They're priced at $8.27, so I'm going to go ahead and grab 2 of them. I wound up paying $16.54, but getting back, well, it's still double attaching, so you'll get back $4 for each one on Ibotta. Plus there is $5 back on Swagbucks, My Points, Inbox, or Tada, making them only $1.77 each. Alright guys, say hello to my little haul. Say hi, little haul, in the comments. Say hi, hi. That reminds me of that meme. Please ignore all my Coke over there on the floor. Just ignore it over there on the floor. So this is it. This was it for today. Everything went good. I didn't have no coupons. I did try something and it worked, so I'm gonna share that with you. So everything you see here retails $54.33. I'll pop up the tax for this. And yeah, no coupons, so we paid that out of pocket. And then we got back $22.92 for my Ibotta. Tada is $21. Only thing that went straight through for me was the spin brush, and I submitted for the one for $7, and it went straight through with this particular one. I saw somebody post that on Instagram, and I tried it. Figured if it didn't go through, I can always resubmit the receipt for the other one, but I did see that I wanted to try it, and it worked out, so it made those an even better deal. And yeah, so 21 from Tada. Alexa is 14. ShopMe is 14. My ShopMe is still pending. I know one of you guys had mentioned that, and it has been taking longer for me to process, and so my last receipt hasn't even gone through yet. And so yeah, Shopkick was $2.40, and so we got back a total of we should be getting back a total of $74.32, which is going to make this a $20.32 moneymaker. Other than that, I will leave it there. You guys have the most amazing day night whenever you're watching, wherever you're watching from. In the comments, where are you watching from? Y'all know I'm in SoCal. And other than that, I'll leave it there. You guys have an awesome day, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.